Once we have approved your chemical waste disposal request, we will send a chemical waste inventory form by email. You will need to print this form out in order to complete your packaging process. This form has 3 sections. You will find your personal and lab information on the first part of the form. You will also find the authorization code of your disposal request. Keep this code handy as you will need it later. In the second part, you'll find packaging instructions and reminders. It also indicates date for pickup. Please have your waste package ready at the designated pickup location before that date. The last part of this form contains the table of chemical materials you submitted. A few important notes. For safety reasons, please segregate chemicals by hazard class. Do not mix chemicals from different hazard classes in the same package. Do not overpack your waste. Make sure it does not exceed the 10 kilogram weight limit. When you have a heavier load, consider splitting the chemical material into smaller and different packages. This will minimize the chance of lower back injuries to our ESF workers. We ask you to reuse shipping and packaging material from your lab. Choose a strong and heavy-duty cardboard box. Make use of boxes with appropriate size and dimensions for your packaging purposes. It is very important to fill the box with packaging material. Boxes not packaged properly will not be accepted. This will minimize the chance of breakage when glass containers hit against each other or leakage from bottles tipping over and sitting on their side during transport. We recommend reusing excess shipping supplies like styrofoam, vermiculite, or air pillows. However, you are not restricted to the use of only these packing materials. We have more examples for your reference. The idea here is to fill in the space between the cardboard box and container to create a stable environment. Even crushed newspaper is a perfect solution as packing material. So what should you do if you have multiple items with the same hazard class that you would like to put in the same cardboard box? You can follow the same packaging guidelines seen here. Ensure sufficient packaging material is in place to reduce the chance of bottles hitting each other inside the box. In this example, it would be a great idea to top it up with styrofoam chips to create a stronger and safer package. Make sure the box is securely taped closed and has no loose openings. You will now attach the printed authorization form to your waste package. Place the authorization form in an envelope and attach it to the top of your package. On the envelope, please clearly print the following: authorization code of your disposal request. You can find this in the first section of the chemical waste inventory form. Class number of your chemical waste, which you can find in the third section in the table of the chemical waste inventory form, and date of disposal. If you have multiple packages under the same chemical waste inventory form, indicate your box number. The final step is to bring your waste package to the designated area in your building. Please contact your principal investigator or safety committee for access to the designated collection area. Remember, ESF will only pick up from the designated collection area. Please have your waste ready before the date indicated on your chemical waste inventory form. Prior to disposal, please check our non-hazardous chemical disposal list. Non-hazardous material can go straight to drain or dumpster, thereby reducing the costs associated with disposal. For not accepted waste, please contact ESF for a special pickup by an approved contractor. For more information and questions about chemical material disposal, please contact ESF at 604-822-6306.